Ever found yourself staring at a street food stall, mouth-watering, but your wallet's playing hide-and-seek? Or maybe you're rushing to catch a ride, only to realize your GrabPay balance is flatter than a pancake. We've all been there. The digital age promised convenience, but sometimes, refilling those digital wallets feels like deciphering ancient hieroglyphs. So, the burning question is, how do you actually top up currency on GrabPay without pulling your hair out? Let's be honest, GrabPay has become a staple for many of us, whether it's for rides, food deliveries, or even paying at our favorite local stores. But a digital wallet is only as good as the funds inside. Today, we're diving deep into the simple steps to ensure your GrabPay is always ready to roll. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Grab app. Updates often bring improved features and smoother processes, so this is a crucial first step. Open the Grab app and locate the wallet icon. It's usually found at the bottom of the screen, or sometimes tucked away in your profile section. Tap on it, and you'll be greeted with your current GrabPay balance. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll see a Top Up or Add Funds button. This is your gateway to a replenished wallet. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of top-up options. The most common method is linking your bank account or debit/credit card. If you've already linked a card, it'll appear as an option. You can select it, enter the amount you wish to top up, and confirm. If you haven't linked a card yet, don't worry. You can add a new card by tapping the Add New Card option and following the prompts. This usually involves entering your card details and verifying your identity. Another popular method is topping up via online banking. Many banks in Southeast Asia have integrated their systems with GrabPay, allowing for seamless transfers. Look for your bank's logo in the list of top-up options. Select it, and you'll be redirected to your bank's online banking portal. Log in, confirm the transfer, and the funds will be credited to your GrabPay wallet. For those who prefer a more traditional approach, some countries offer top-up options through authorized agents or convenience stores. Look for the cash top-up option in the app. This will provide you with a unique code or barcode that you can present to the cashier at the designated location. Pay the amount you wish to top up, and the funds will be added to your GrabPay wallet. And for those who are tech-savvy and prefer to use other e-wallets, you may be able to use a linked e-wallet to transfer funds into your GrabPay wallet. Check the options available on your app for specifics. Remember, the specific options available may vary depending on your location and the services offered in your region. Always double-check the details and ensure you're using a secure network when performing any financial transactions. Once you've selected your preferred method and completed the transaction, your GrabPay balance should update almost immediately. You will usually receive a notification confirming the top-up. And just like that, you're ready to conquer your day, whether it's ordering your favorite meal, booking a ride, or paying for your groceries. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to topping up your GrabPay balance. No more wallet woes, no more missed opportunities. With a few simple taps, you can ensure your digital wallet is always ready for whatever the day throws your way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.